Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Faith with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to share with you a inspiration. I saw this mirror and totally fell in love with it and wanted to recreate it. So what you will need for this DIY is a Dollar Tree foam board. I went ahead and cut out the length of the foam board already, so that's why you're looking at two pieces of the foam board. They're in a L shape. So you want to go ahead and cut out your foam board in an L shape. Then you'll need some form of tissue paper. I like to buy my tissue paper after the holidays because they are all clearanced out. And I hauled these last year from Ross for $1.99. Some form of tissue paper or decorative paper, napkins, whatever you want to use, because we're going to decoupage. You will also need a long mirror. It's a floor mirror. And this mirror I hauled from Walmart and it was $14.99. And I went ahead with this particular one because it doesn't have the frame. I wanted something without the frame. You can buy the ones that are $5 and remove the frame if you'd like, but I went ahead and splurged because I also have another DIY in mind with this mirror. You will need your Mod Podge glue, a cup of water, and a paintbrush. I believe you may use your glue gun if I decide to add some gems or diamond wrap, not sure right now. We will work it out. You will also need a razor for Kaleo is going wild. You'll need a razor for your cutting your foam board. So let's jump right into decoupaging the foam board. Decoupaged the back side as well as the front, and I want to go ahead now and take my mirror and both L-shaped piece of foam board and begin to glue it onto the end of the large mirror. Okay guys, so I went ahead and glued on the foam boards, and I decided to incorporate two of the Hobby Lobby gems ribbon. And so I'm going to, I add one on already. I wanted to show you, basically all you have to do is peel and stick. So you go as close to the edge as possible and stick. And this is just to add some glitter to the mirror as well. So once you've gotten your Hobby Lobby's gems on, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these Dollar Tree flowers, because the inspiration, which I'm going to link down below for you have flowers on it, but I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to add flowers to it, but as I look at it, I decided I want to take it to the next level. So the Dollar Tree have these, and basically all you have to do is remove the wire and it comes apart. You just take the chains off and that's it. So now I'm decided that I'm going to go ahead and add a few of these flowers onto this project. So you add some generous amount of glue and go to the end of your board. Hold it in place until it sticks. I'm going to add it onto all 4 areas of my mirror. So I'm also adding some gems to these flowers because the flowers have those holes that remains after you remove your chain, and so because the hole is there, we want to cover it up. So I'm covering it up with the Dollar Tree adhesive gems, just so it'll be uniformed. Okay guys, so the mirror is on the wall, and I basically use a rope to attach it to the back and to hang it on a nail. I absolutely love this look, very glam. I'm going to go closer so you can get a closer look at it. If you notice, I did add some gems onto the flowers. Okay guys, if you love the way that this project turned out, go ahead, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, and if this is your first time and you have not yet subscribed, I ask that you would hit the subscribe button and become a part of our family. Alright guys, I will see you on my next DIY.